Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that one setting on your Android phone could cause your Google account storage to fill up much faster than you expect? And when your Google storage becomes full, it's not just your photos that are affected. Gmail may stop receiving new emails, files can no longer be backed up, and other Google services may stop syncing properly until you free up space or purchase additional storage. The good news is that you don't have to pay for extra storage right away. In many cases, a few simple settings can help you save a lot of space and keep your Google account running normally. In today's video, I'll show you exactly what to check and how to free up storage without deleting the photos that matter most. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Scroll down and tap Account Storage. Here you will see your storage is being used. You'll notice that your free 15 gigabytes of Google storage is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. For most people, Google Photos is what uses the most storage. Why? Because every time your phone backs up photos and videos, they're also stored in your Google account. This is actually a useful feature because if your phone is lost, damaged, or replaced, your photos are still available when you sign into your Google account on another device. The downside is that photos and videos, especially videos, can fill up your free storage surprisingly quickly. Fortunately, there's an easy way to reduce how much storage future backups use. So go back to main home screen on your phone and open the Google Photos app. If you can't find it, simply search for Photos in your app drawer. Once it's open, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then scroll down and go to Photos Settings. Then tap Backup. Scroll down and tap Photos and Video Quality. If your phone is set to original quality, consider switching to Storage Saver. Tap Storage Saver, then confirm it. Storage Saver compresses photos and videos to reduce their file size while still maintaining good visual quality for most people. This means future backups will use much less space, helping your Google storage last much longer. Now, what if your storage is already almost full? Don't worry, there's another feature that can help. Open the Gmail app again, tap your profile picture, then select Manage your Google account. Open the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you find Google Dashboard and tap on it. Open Google Photos, then open All Photos. From there, tap three-line icon in left-hand corner. It will show you the navigation of different settings. Then scroll down and look for the option Storage and tap on it. It will show you storage of how much is used and how much is remaining. Then scroll down and find Recover Storage section and tap on Learn More link. Here, Google will give you the option to compress photos and videos that are already backed up in your account. Keep in mind that this process cannot be undone, so read the message carefully before confirming. And once completed, many users recover a significant amount of storage without deleting their photos. Now let me show you one more option. If you don't want Google Photos to back up your pictures at all, you can simply turn off automatic backup. Open the Google Photos app, tap your profile picture, go to Photos Settings, open Backup, then turn Backup off. Once backup is disabled, your new photos and videos will remain stored only on your phone and won't be uploaded to your Google account automatically. Some phones also offer an undo backup for this device option. This removes photos and videos from your Google Photos cloud storage while leaving the original files safely stored on your phone. It's a useful option if you no longer want your photos stored online and need to free up Google account storage. Just remember that once cloud backups are removed, they won't be available from other devices unless you back them up again later, and that's it. With just a few small changes, you can free up valuable Google storage, keep Gmail working properly, and avoid running out of space sooner than expected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how much Google storage you're currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.